In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in Figma. Whether you're designing a website, an app, or maybe even a stunning infographic, being able to effectively use text elements and their styling options is key to creating polished, professional designs. Underlining text can be an important part of emphasizing certain words or phrases, and today we're going to walk through the process of doing just that in Figma. To get started, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Figma. If you've used Figma before, you probably already have the website bookmarked, but if not, just type Figma into your search bar, and it should be one of the first results that pop up. Once you've got that loaded, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you're new here, you'll need to create an account, but today we assume you already have access. Next, navigate to your project canvas. This is the digital space where your design work comes to life. If you've got multiple projects going on, use the interface to find and open the one that requires some text underlining today. Take a moment to fully open your canvas to fit your view for easier workflow. Once your canvas is in view, it's time to locate the specific text layer in your design that you want to underline. Text layers can be added from the text tool, but we're assuming you have your text ready to go. Click on the text you're going to modify. This action should outline the text box and probably open up a series of options for you on the right-hand Properties panel. Now direct your attention to this Properties panel. You're looking for a familiar icon in the text area, typically a capital letter U with a line directly underneath it. This is the universal symbol for the underline feature in most design and text editing tools. Finding this icon may involve some scrolling, especially if your Properties panel is filled with other text styling options, so take your time. Now that you've located the underline icon, ensure that your text is indeed selected or highlighted. Sometimes a click might deselect text, so just double-check. With your text highlighted, you'll need to click on this underlined icon. Doing so should immediately apply an underline to your selected text layer. And there you have it. Your text should now be underlined. This simple feature can make a significant impact in your design by helping important text stand out. As you become more familiar with Figma, these small styling choices will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stick around for more tips and tricks on how to maximize your creativity with Figma.